Today we are going to mount at rest. No. Crash bobbins for the beast. Let's come and see what we have here. One bobbin, the second one, extensions per bobbin, 4 screws, and an add-on 3D printed stickers. Nice. This part of the bobbin is CNC machined from high-grade aluminum. It's powder coated. Extensions are available in orange and this one is in black. The bobbins, the sliders, are made out of nylon and reinforced with fiberglass. For the installation process we need wrench tool and 2 different types of Torx, size 8 and size TX40. And gloves. Let's begin. Step 1 is to take out the rubber protection. Step 2 is to take out the original bolt. Step 3, let's mount the bobbin. Voila! Step 4, 3D stickers. Step 5, repeat this on the other side.